A small house in a corner of London was transformed into a bright, airy, and modern living space. How can a cramped old house be transformed into a comfortable and functional home? This is the story of the Coach House, an innovative project by Open Practice Architecture that proves that limited space is not a barrier, but an opportunity to create smarter and more efficient designs. One of the main attractions of this house is the maximum natural light. Skylights and large openings allow sunlight to enter optimally, creating a brighter and more airy atmosphere. This strategy can be an inspiration for anyone looking to make a small house feel more spacious without having to add floor space. Natural light also helps reduce the reliance on lamps during the day, making it an efficient and sustainable solution. The interior design of this house prioritizes space efficiency. With the use of flexible areas and the use of built-in furniture, every corner of the house can function optimally without feeling cramped. This concept is very relevant for those who live in homes with limited space and need design solutions that can adapt to various needs. The simple yet strong elements in this house prove that minimalist design can still look visually rich and remain functional. In terms of materials, this house combines exposed concrete, natural wood, and steel elements. This combination creates an industrial aesthetic that still feels warm and comfortable. Concrete and steel provide strong character, while wood brings a natural touch that balances the atmosphere. For those who want to combine rough materials with an inviting home feel, the Coach House offers plenty of inspiration. Originally, the Coach House was a small and inefficient old building, but the architects saw great potential in it. Rather than tearing it down and rebuilding from scratch, they chose to retain the original structure while adding new design elements that significantly improved the quality of the space. This approach not only maintains the character of the building, but also creates a harmony between the past and the present. So, what do you think of the transformation of the coach house? Are there any design elements that you would like to apply in your own home? Let us know in the comments column. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get more unique and innovative home design inspiration. See you in the next video.